Right now, we are here in the Manila Hotel, and it's an honor to interview one of the 6 award for promotion Philippine-China understanding. With us is the governor of Cagayan, other than Governor Manuel Mamba. Please, first, congratulations po, Gov. Mamba, for this prestigious award. Alam natin that these bodies, you cannot volunteer. They will select and reject po yung selection. And ang tanong ko po, what can you say na for a lot of politicians in the Philippines po yung napiling local chief executive na awardan for this prestigious awarding body ng APPC.
Una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa the very start, I have always considered our neighbor, China, as a friend. We have a lot of intelligence, we have a lot of history together, and that is why it has always been my dream to open our relationship with them. That is why 2016 was geopolitically and there was a lot of nearness with them. And the economic boom now in the world is not essential because of the growth of China and of course Japan, Soviet South Korea. And we are part of that, being nearest to them. Kaya para sa akin, it is most important we have the friendly relationship among us. That is why from the very start, I felt that this should be where Cagayan and the northern Philippines. And I am very grateful that I was given the chance to have this kind of relationship and I intend to nurture this. Kaya siguro napili din ako kasi yun nga sinasabi ko pinakamalapit kasi and I could see a better future while having good relationship with our neighbors.
The vision ahead of time for the friendship and business relationship with China.
We have to be forward-looking. We have to be a visionary. And we have to anticipate what has to happen for our children and our children. That is why I still believe peace and prosperity and friendliness, friendship among our countries in Asia should be nurtured.
Very well said. Again, congratulations, Governor Manuel Mamba. You've just heard our interview with one of the awardees for this year 2024 APPCU award here in Manila Hotel, no other than Governor Manuel Mamba of the province of Cagayan. This is MJ Albinabalagay of DCMT Online, Dawa, Sakat, Makapuluhang Journalismo, your happiness channel.